Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy Snipe Jones, and I'm super excited right now, as you can tell. Listen, man, subscribe to the channel if you are new. I appreciate each and every last one of you guys that have been watching. Guys, listen, man, yesterday I did an unboxing, and I was totally taken back by surprise when I unboxed a package that was sent from an actual sneaker brand. Shout out to everybody who watched that video. If you didn't get a chance to watch that video, you need to check it out. I will link it down below in the description. But man, for the people who did watch that video, man, okay, I'm gonna kind of wrap this up in a nutshell. Listen, bro, like, I don't know if y'all see through these cameras, right? Like let me fix this real quick. A lot of times it's hard for people to kind of correlate, you know, through lens, you know what I'm saying, through cameras. I have an audience, and I'm blessed to have an audience. I have an audience that genuinely cares, and that's another blessing. Some people, man, sometimes people only here for, you know, the sneaker that you hold. And I can honestly say a large part of my following is people who actually care about Snipe. You know, the jokes, the energy, you know what I'm saying, the love, the positivity that I bring on a day-to-day basis. That's what you guys love and respect. That means a lot to me, man, because I never thought I would be in this situation. I never thought I could do certain things. And I think that's the reason why, like, on every single video, I'm telling y'all to dream big, because that's what I had to do ultimately to do some of the things I'm doing right now, which is kind of still, I'm not gonna hold you, bro, it's still like a lot to me, and it's still like I'm still settling in. I don't want this to be like a award ceremony, nothing like that, but I do want to take this moment, take this time, and take this video to really inspire just about anybody I can. So if you really rock with your boy Snipe, man, this video is going to be important to me as it should be to you guys, man. Hit the thumbs up on the video right now if you really rock with me. Listen, man, I can remember the exact day I started my YouTube channel. I didn't know what to do. I know a lot of you guys heard this story a lot of times, but honestly, I get a lot of new people every day, so some people don't know who I am, don't know my story, so I'm gonna just briefly talk. I started out doing YouTube after college didn't work out for me. I went to college, I played college basketball, broke my foot, and I was down, bro. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. Depression, man, I was going through uncertainty. I was young, I'm still young, right? And everybody go through that stage where they don't know what to do with their life. I picked up a camera, never owned a camera before, never owned a laptop before. I was the only kid in college without a laptop. And that brings me back to what we here for, man, sneakers. Like, y'all see this extensive sneaker collection, like, bro, I will call up any friend I have, any friend I know. I grew up with none of this, bro. It's so crazy. Like, when people, you know, bump into my channel that haven't seen me since high school or middle school, they're like, yo, bro, like, when did this happen? I was never known for fashion, ever. I was never known for sneakers, ever. I was never known for none of these things because I didn't have it. The only time, or the time that I began to start my collection was college. When I got my college refund check, I blew all my bread on sneakers. Stupid, do not do that. I repeat, listen, look, let me look at it. Yo, don't do that, all right? Don't do that. But I did that. It was not the smartest thing, but it led to this, man. It led to me being able to, you know, buy sneakers on a regular basis and build something. Even though I never could afford sneakers, I was always that sneakerhead that knew exactly what you had on your feet, even though there was no way I could copy. A lot of people ask me, hey man, I'm a sneakerhead because I only have 2 pairs of shoes. Well, I didn't even have 2 pairs of sneakers. It was at one point in time in my life in high school, my junior year, I had 1 pair of sneakers for the entire year. That was basketball sneakers for the season, shoes to play outside in, shoes to play PE in, shoes to go to church in, like the whole 9, 1 pair for an entire year. Now, that's not to harp on everybody and say, oh man, I'm sad for Snipe. It's to actually motivate you guys, inspire you guys. Like, you can come from a situation like that to this, or actually have brands sending you a pair of sneakers, and that is why we are here today. I speak humbly about my upbringing, man. I speak humbly about where I come from, because everybody does not have the accessibility or the financial gain to be able to buy every release. Every video I tell you guys to dream big, and I know it might sound a little weird coming from a guy who just stands in front of the camera, vlogs, travels, and just show you guys sneakers. I'm not trying to flaunt. I'm not trying to show you my collection every single day. What I'm trying to show you guys is, hey, look, you know, I'm from the inner city. I'm from a bad place. I'm from East Cleveland, man. It's rough around there. I've talked about that a lot. A lot of people that watch my videos are from my area, and they can speak for that. Been on the side of being bullied, picked on, joked about, you know, because my shoes stink. Like, you can smell my shoes while my feet is in them. Like, they stink bad. This is real fact. Depressed because everybody was talking about me. Honestly, if it wasn't for sports was like my gateway to be cool in a way, because I wasn't in a lot of people's eyes, because I didn't, you know, high school was nothing but a fashion show, really, and who can pull the most girls. If it wasn't for sports, I never really would have broken to that top tier, because sports made me cool. If it wasn't for that, bro, I ain't gonna hold you. What I like to do is to tell you guys to dream big and to tell you guys to do what you're passionate about. No, I'm not just trying to show you shoes and inspire you to get some sneakers. I'm trying to inspire you to do what you love, bro. Like, if you're too afraid to try out for the team even though you got skills, like, bro, go do that. If you believe that you have, you know, the talent to do anything, man, just do it. Now, I'm sorry that I had to do this, like, this long soliloquy, but for my people that's rocking with me, man, I needed to let y'all know that this is genuine, and it means a lot to me, because coming from not having anything, bro, I'm talking about hand-me-downs, man. I'm talking about holes in your shoes. You gotta walk to school in the snow. Y'all know how it is in Cleveland, bro. Snow, man, you got holes in your shoes, and now your socks wet. You still in class. You got a whole day left with wet socks, man. It was rough. Now I'm to the point where Puma actually sent me over a pair of sneakers, and that is like the biggest 360 I could imagine for me. I really thank Puma, man, for the opportunity of sending me things. When they reached out, I was super surprised, and I've been actually secretive about this for a while now. So when I did the unboxing, I didn't really think it was from them, because we've been talked about this some months back. But man, nevertheless, man, they sent it over. I'm sorry, once again, I know it's super sentimental, but for the reason why we are all here, let me show you guys the Puma sneaker that was sent over yesterday to your boy Snipe Jones. Here we have it, man, the Puma sneaker in that Puma box. You already know, man, size 12 gang is how we rep it. Now, once again, this sneaker is called the Sail Alien OG. Really like this sneaker. Once again, if you guys haven't seen the unboxing, I want you to check it out. But as we open this up together, you see the colorway. I like the colorway a lot because it is summertime, and like I said earlier in the other video, it's a summer colorway. Now, a few things I like about the sneaker automatically, like I said, is the colorway. I plan on doing a lot of pics with this sneaker, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to head over there and follow me. I got some great ideas, but the biggest thing I like is the lime green on the sneaker. Now, lime green, well, green really is my favorite colorway. I feel like this Volt green, lime green is definitely making a huge push this year, 2019, with a lot of different sneakers. Another thing is the orange, right? The orange and the lime green with the white gives you like a super soaker type vibe, kind of vintage, very dope. So Puma went with a dash shoe type of look, okay? So easily you can tell from the bulkiness of the shoe and how it looks, it's definitely dash shoe model. Now, in my collection, I have a bunch of dash shoes, so this would easily go with what I rock on a daily basis. One huge thing I love is the air bubble on the bottom and on the back sole. I've never seen, or is that? No, that don't have an air bubble. None of the Pumas I have an air bubble, and honestly, as I think back, I can't really think of too many Puma sneakers that have an actual air bubble compartment on the bottom of the sneaker. So I like that. That is one of the reasons why Puma is on the up and up. They always make sure that they evolve over time. Over time, you have to come up with different ideas, different designs. They've done that with the RXO collabs. They've done that with the Sonic the Hedgehog joints, Transformer joints, and now the Sail Alien OG. All mesh material right here on the uppers to really give it a good vibe. And like I said, by it being a summer shoe, the mesh material will really help you guys out in the summertime by not being so heat on your feet. Even though it is gonna be heat on your feet, you know what I'm saying? It won't be heat on your feet. Y'all get what I'm saying. Anyways, it also looks very good with this gray. Now, the gray is basically like coming up the toe box all the way up the lacing area, and when the orange mix in with this gray, it's definitely a great mesh of colors. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm very excited to show y'all the on foot. The on foot will be a little late in the video. I definitely plan on rocking these summer without a doubt, man. Let me know how you guys feel about these down below in the comment section. One nice piece that they have on the toe box is 3M material right here on the toe box. So these two flaps right here are 3M. You know your boy like the 3M, man, because I like shining. You know what I'm saying? I did rock these. I know I haven't showed the on foot yet, but they're super comfortable, and I think that has a lot to do with the air bubble compartment that they put on there. So right about now, man, I'm gonna head over to the on foot portion of the video. Hopefully you guys like how these look on foot, and we'll be back to end the video out. guys, we are back from the on foot. I really like how these look on foot, better than just like out of the box. When you put these on foot with a proper fit or just with the right jeans or the right sweats, I really think this sneaker can pop. Please let me know how you feel about these down below in the comment section, guys. Once again, this here is the Puma Sail Alien OG, and they are in stores around you. It is your boy Sniper Jones. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, to everybody that watch, I could not do any of this without you. The things that I'm able to do, the milestones that I'm able to cross, definitely does not happen without the support that you guys give me on a day-to-day basis, and I'm super thankful, and I appreciate it. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. No, I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.